everyone, welcome back. I'm back again. My name is Veena Roy and today we are again going to learn something new. I will be sharing with you some synonyms, some antonyms, but today I'm going to discuss on a pivotal topic, that means important topic. If you are on this particular journey to improve your English fluency, your communication skills, then you have to understand one thing. Why? Why do you want to improve your English and communication skills? If you think that I cannot speak, people are going to laugh, you are procrastinating, thinking to start, to practice, then let me tell you that it's a high time. Enough of procrastination, enough of thinking too much. Now take actions. If you are a beginner also, you have to ask this question that why do you want to improve your English fluency? When you will ask this particular question, you will get the answer. Maybe for better opportunities, maybe you want to, get better opportunities, or you want to rise in life, you want to become a famous personality, you want to earn more, you want to fulfill all your dreams and desires. So for that, keep aside 15 to 20 minutes or half an hour diligently. Why I'm using this word diligently? Because it's your intention, it's your pure intention to work on your English, on your communication skills. English is just a language where you need to improve, you need to learn new words, you need to speak on different topics, you need to observe the things, right? And speak, you need to think in mind as well as, so that once you become fluent in English, you can improve your communication skills. That is body language, eye contact, facial expressions. Along with that, the way you speak, organized content. So today, I just want to talk with you, I just want to share something with you that how to develop courage and confidence. Because this is the first thing which comes whenever we want to improve our English fluency. We think that, okay, I'm learning this, but how to start? How to take part, what if I go wrong, right? So stay tuned with me till this end, because I'm going to share few tips how you can improve your courage, how you can develop courage and confidence, which is important, right? So today the word which I've chosen, that is strong. She is strong, right? Every time we say he is strong, she is strong, but we never say robust. Right? We never say robust. See, this is the one powerful word, robust. You can simply say robust. And the opposite of strong is weak. We know that, weak, but we never say fragile, weak, fragile, right? We never say fragile. Oh, this particular thing is so weak. The particular thing is so fragile, right? So the synonym of strong is robust. Along with that, you can say resilient. Okay, why I'm saying this, that you can say resilient, because someone who is strong, that particular person can be resilient, or anything which can fight back, which can stay strong, resilient. This particular person is so strong. Instead of that, you can simply say he is resilient person. That means can stay strong, right? In an antonym of this particular word, that means strong, is weak. You can simply say fragile. Okay, you can simply say that fragile, frail. So today I just want to share with you the points to gain courage and confidence. Now you have to understand that what is confidence. In front of people, if I say that you have to speak on this particular topic, what is the first question that will come in your mind? What others are going to think about me if I go wrong, right? So be ready to make mistakes. Diligently every single day, when you start observing the things, when you start learning few words, when you start talking about different topics without thinking about what people are going to think of me, you will improve a lot. Because as a teacher, I was also used to think the same thing, that what others are going to think of me. If I don't know English, if I'm fumbling, that means I don't know anything. So forget just forget about the people, the way they are going to think. Think about yourself. Because confidence will only come when you have knowledge, when you have experience. Last week I attended one particular event, and trust me, for a second I was stuck at that particular moment while sharing something. So you have to understand that the great speakers, even they fumble, they get tongue tired. Tongue tired means blank. Sometimes they stuck to speak, or they don't get good words at that particular time, or the appropriate words, I should say, not good, right? So every single day, practice English, practice, right? Because practice is the key. Number one, you have to understand that what is the one thing you want in your life. What is the one thing you want in your life? For that, you are learning this English, learning this communication skills. So ask yourself this particular question. When you will get this answer, you can work on your skills. Second thing is, you have to understand that why I don't have confidence, because you have fear. And why you have fear? Because you don't have knowledge, you are ignorant, you don't have experience. Trust me, if you are speaking in front of 20 people every single day, okay, you will gain the experience. First day you will fumble, second day you will improve a bit, third day again improve little bit more. And gradually you will see that just a piece of cake for me. It's easy for me. Now I will never fumble. I know them, right? So when you have the experience, when you have the knowledge, when you know that how I should speak, how I should organize my content, how I should share my thoughts in front of people, you will never have the fear, you will never have the, what I should say, that hesitation, nervousness. So start working on yourself. Start working on reading, writing, speaking, listening. Sometimes you think that, oh my God, these 4 elements, how to do reading, writing, speaking every single day. We have so many things on our plate. So the easiest way, let me share with you. Read something, one short para. Read about that. And taking that short para, write about that. What are the things you have learned from that particular para? After writing, you can simply speak that today I have learned this particular thing from this book or this particular page. That means speaking done, writing done, reading done, and listening is left. Now whenever you are free throughout the day, instead of watching reels, or maybe you are watching reels, listen to great speakers. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. And see what are the good words they are speaking. Write it down. Practice in your conversation. English is not so tough the way you are thinking right now. Only you have to practice. You should be in a good community. You should speak every single day. You should take help. You should ask for feedback. And if you think that you want my help, I have a community. You can come anyway. You want classes? I'm always there to help you. So for today, what I'm sharing is all about how to gain confidence, how to have courage. So you will have courage when you have the confidence. You will have confidence when you will drain the fear. And how you will gain the confidence? When you will learn, when you will read, when you will experience, when you will come out from the comfort zone and face the audience, when you will face the camera, when you will speak in front of at least 15 to 20 people, in front of a group, in front of your friends, you will have the confidence. So second thing is all about desire. If you have a desire, then nobody can just stop you. Ask that particular question, why? You have to understand that great speakers, they also make mistakes. Number 3, that is, act as if you are a great speaker. Act that I am a great speaker. I can speak in front of huge audience, because the way you will tell your mind that you are a great speaker, you are good, your mind will tell you that yes, you are good, you don't have hesitation, you are not someone who feels nervous, because you are working every single day. And after working also, if you don't have courage, that means it's all about your mindset, right? So make your mindset resilient, as I have already shared with you the word. Strong, powerful, not fragile, that anyone can come and say that, okay, you don't know anything. Be strong. Be someone who can speak this particular language effectively and communicate with effectiveness. Got it? Act it. Think about that all people make mistakes, and if I'm making mistake, it's all fine. Take the steps every single day. Set aside a particular time for yourself to improve English. If you do all of these things and start experiencing the audience, the people create videos, you will gain the confidence. You will never fumble. Because sometimes online, whatever we are sharing, it is easy, but it is tough in front of a huge people. So don't compare anyone in your life. Just start doing whatever you are doing in your life. Practice. Initially, you might feel hesitate, but gradually you will improve. So what are you waiting for? Be resilient. Be robust. Don't become a fragile personality. Work on these things which I have shared just now to become confident, to become a courageous personality, to speak this particular language effectively. Act as if you are a great speaker. Hope you like this particular video. Now do write and comment in the comment section. Which kind of videos do you want me to create? Because every single day I'm just sharing something on different topics, but today I have shared only the synonym and antonyms of this particular word strong. I have not shared any topic, but I have just shared with you how you can gain confidence and courage, because I want you to think about it. I want you to first think about this particular thing, that forget the fear, drain the fear, be courageous, be strong, be confident, and start doing the things which I told you, because only then you can have more courage and can face the audience. Audience does not mean it should be 100 or 1,000 people. It could be anyone. Yeah, maybe you are facing someone who is professional, maybe a group, right? So this is Veena Roy signing off. Take care.